In today's video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about absolute value. So if we have a problem like this that says, which point on the number line has a larger absolute value? And we have a point here at -7 and a point at 4. I'm going to teach you all the tricks you need to know how to understand this, and you will be able to do any problem in the future. So the first step is to understand that absolute value is the number's distance from 0. And this is important. Distance can't be negative. Okay, you can't have a negative distance. So if you're going to go from here to the origin, that distance cannot be negative. So if you were walking from -7 back to 0, you would walk 7 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the origin. So this distance is 7, not -7, because you take positive steps, right? If you walk from 4 back to 0, you would walk 4 steps. So the distance from here to here is 4 steps. The distance is 4. So -7 is 7 steps away from the origin, so its absolute value is 7. And similarly, 4 is 4 steps away from the origin, so its absolute value is 4. So that means 7 is greater than 4. So -7 has a larger absolute value, even though -7 is smaller than 4. But it doesn't matter. We're talking about distance to the origin, which cannot be negative. Okay? And that's it. That's all you need to know about distance from the origin, or in other words, absolute value. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, you could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could download those if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.